Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Grubhub. If you want to get the latest version of this application, then this video might be helpful. So let's get started. First, open Google Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type in Grubhub and perform the search. Now tap on Grubhub app. If your application need any update, you'll be able to see update button instead of open button. Just tap on it and your Grubhub application will be updated. And this is how you can update Grubhub app. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on future videos.